Hi guys, time check now is 5 a.m. dito sa Dubai at ngayon nasa Sheikh Zayed Road tayo papuntang Jumeirah Beach 2. So, enjoy watching and thank you. Salamat! Andito kami ulit sa Jumeirah.
Hi! Dito
So,
ang Jumeirah.
Ayan ang aming paligid. Nag-walking kami ni Sam, pero pabalik kami kay Mr. dahil i-inflate niya ang bangka na nabili niya, yung inflatable boat. Tutulungan ko muna siya, guys. Kuya Sam, come! Oh. Go. What is that? Sam? What is this?
A whale shark.
A whale shark. Where are you going? Ang layo na yung dalawa. Bumaliktad na ata yung may-ari na. No, it's opposite. You should go in the boat, not Baba. I'll go into the boat. Hurt? If you see a crocodile. Say hi. It's not cute. If you see A crocodile. Ay, dun pala mama. Oy, oy, go inside.
Dali na, go to Baba.
No, no, no. It's nice. Parang siya ata yung nag-enjoy. I think you're the one who is enjoy. Take a Baba, go, dali! Aram, Baba!
You pull me to you, sir.
We will bring Baba. Oy, 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 it's deep, come here.
Then go to the deeper.
Oh. Jump. Jump.
What you jump?
It's not a jump. It's not a jump. Teach him how to use the life jacket, bro. Hi. Yeah, throw in the water, dali. Sam, you want to go to Baba? Sam, Sam, do you want to go to Baba? Kasi andun si Mr. guys, oh, ayun, malayo. So ako, andito ako sa bangka. Sam, can you take mga video? Dali. It's okay, relax, relax, relax. Oh. Kick like a frog. Kick like a frog. Put your legs down. It's fine. Kick your foot. Kick up.
Yeah. Let's go. Ready? Ready, thumbs up to go down?
You also go down.
Not now, not today.
Baba, you also jump. It's okay.
Dahil tapos na kaming maligo, ngayon pupunta na kami sa playground. Hinihintay na lang namin si Mr. kasi andun siya. So kami ni Sam, ngayon dito na kami dalawa sa playground. Napakita ko sa inyo yung playground, guys. Time check, actually 7. Umaalis na kami dito. Kaso lang hindi mainit today, cloudy siya. Kaya nagstay kami na dito sa playground. Ewan ko bakit ngayon. Siguro kagabi yung mga tao na sa labas andito lahat, so umaga tulog sila. Ito yung gusto namin dito, guys, sa pinapaliguan namin na to, although malayo siya sa lugar namin. Kasi ito nga, pagkatapos mag swimming, ayan, pwedeng maglaro yung mga bata. Yan, ito yung ano siya, trampoline. Ayan, oh. Yan, trampoline siya. Yan, tapos may, ayan, akyat yung bata doon. Ito yung dapat kay Sam. Be careful, ha? Ayan naman siya. Tatalon-talon siya. Hanggang mapagod yan siya, guys. Kasi ito sa sobrang taas nito, guys. Ayan. Pwede din doon yung mga bata umakyat. Ito under construction. Ayun doon. Diyan. Here. Try the obstacle, dali. Ayan, tingnan natin kung go. Dali na. Akyat siya doon sa taas. At magsaslide. Hi, Kuya Sam. Nam. Oh. Ito yung isang maganda din dito, guys. Oh. May mga sound ng animals.
Bear.
A bear.
Bear.
How about the owl? It's Mama's turn.
I will.
Say
I will.
it's my turn. Say it. Oh, what is this?
Cheetah.
Oh.
Lion. Moose. Moose.
Tapos dito, guys, may beach library. Nako, yung mga book hindi binabalik ng maayos. Ayan. May mga book siya, guys. Dapat ibalik ng maayos. Oh, Sam! Look, it's Peppa Pig book. But you need to return it back after you read, okay? Ayan yung buong yung favorite naming puntahan. Dito, ayun si Sam, oh. Nakakita siya ng Peppa Pig. Ako pala, nakakita ako ng Peppa Pig na libro. So, ayan na siya.
Mama, read the Peppa Pig. Mama?
It's just a Peppa. It's a Halloween with a Peppa Pig. Oh, I think Kuya will come here with this kayak. Come, let's go back. You want to go with the kayak?
Kayak.
Let's go. We turn back there.
Virgino.
Oh, return it back in the bag, in the library book. Oh, return it back, dali. Oh, maybe it's close. Here, anak. Hindi return. Oh, let's go na. So, pupunta kami doon, guys. Pumunta doon kasi si kuya yung may kayak bumalik. So, i-try namin magsakay si Sam sa kayak. Right? Hi, Kuya Sam.
Hi.
Are you going home now?
Are going on now?
Ah, what's the answer?
Yes.
Are you having fun here?
Yes, Mama.
What is the weather today?
Cloudy day. Mama, tonight.
Let's go na. Go up there. Go. Climb up in the wall. Oops. Oh, come na. Oh, no need to go in the water, oh. Ah, magigisda pa kayo, kuya. No need to go ko, anak, because you put water in, kuya. Ikoda. Magkano pag ganito, kuya?
Mga 8,000.
Ikoda, no? Kasi maganda yung wood na ikoda, eh.
Hobby.
Ganyan nakalinaw, guys, oh. Kasi may mga maliliit na isda. Kasi si Maring Araw lumabas na. Kanina wala, eh. Let's go! Kuya Sam! Kali na.
Hello guys, ang basyong ako. Simulo hadayakan na.
Okay guys, ito yung bus.
Ang yung basyong ako.
Talk in English. This is the bus, guys.
This is the bus guys in Dubai. Ang festival bus.
You let me do.